channel. My name is Mel. I'm the creator of Mel's Kitchen USA. I'm a registered nurse by profession, and I endorse my channel to everyone and also to my coworkers. I established this channel because of the pandemic. I was trying to find a way to earn money online. But then God has been very gracious to me. Even though I resigned in my full-time job, I was able to find another job right away, even though without, asking for it or looking for it. And I was also one of those who got sick from COVID-19, and I recovered. So now it's time to give back to the community. Mel's Kitchen is giving its YouTube revenue, 50% of it, to World Vision Philippines to help the children in the Philippines to get better education. And if it's not too much to ask, please like, share, and subscribe Mel's Kitchen USA, and also watch until the end of our videos. Let us be one community that helps the poor and the needy. Once again, thank you so much and welcome to Mel's Kitchen. Welcome back to Mel's Kitchen USA. Thank you so much for all of the subscribers, and thank you for liking and sharing our videos. Today we will be making Purple Yam Marble Cake. We will be needing the following ingredients: 3 and 1/4 cups of white flour, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of buttermilk, 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup purple yam jam, our purple yam flavoring, and vanilla extract, and 1 cup of melted butter. First, we have to mix all of our wet ingredients. We will start by mixing in our egg and our butter in the bowl. Okay, make sure you don't include the eggshell. We will use a hand mixer for it. add our vanilla extract, just a drop to it. Okay, after mixing our wet ingredients, we will now mix our dry ingredients. Okay, we just have to mix in a bowl our flour, okay, it's 3 and 1/4 cups of flour, and we will mix in our sugar, because we want to make sure that all of our ingredients are well incorporated. Okay, then we will put in our baking powder, and salt, and mix it well. Mix it in slowly. Okay, we just want to make sure that our batter is mixed well. We can scrape the sides of our bowl so we can get all of our ingredients. Now we will set aside 1/2 of our butter and put it in another bowl. the colors and the flavor is balanced. Once we achieved our desired color, it's fine. If our desired color is not yet met for our batter, we can add more purple yam flavoring. Now we just have to mix our batter well so the colors would be well incorporated. Now that the color is mixed well in our other batter, we will now grease our pan with extra virgin olive oil spray. Okay. And we will scoop in our batter and put it in the pan alternately, so when our cake is baked already, there will be like alternate colors to it. Okay. I prefer the ice cream scooper because it's easy. It's not that messy. I use the ice cream scooper. Okay, now we can put in on top of the white cake. I mean white cake batter. And now the other one, we're gonna put into our purple yam batter. So it's just alternate so we can achieve that good color when we bake our cake. And the same thing until we're done with the cake batter, putting it in the pan. Now we will just shake it so we can get an even surface, and we will run a toothpick to it. Okay. There you go. Now we will set our oven to 350. We will preheat it for 5 minutes, and then we will put our cake for like 45 minutes to an hour. Now our cake is ready to go into the oven. Okay, we did bake our cake for like an hour and 15 minutes, and we checked it using a toothpick. We poked it and the toothpick came out clean, means it's done. It's a little hot. Okay, and here is our purple yam marble cake. We'll just give it time to cool down before we taste it. And here is our finished product, our purple yam marble cake. I just sliced it and tasted it. It's really good. Okay, once again, please subscribe and like this channel and also share it to your friends. Thank you so much and God bless. Stay safe. Bye.